All right, back out at the field. A pretty calm day. Really looking good out here for the weather. Got this one at the last RC swap meet up in Allen. It came from the famous Fitz Walker from the RC Roundtable Podcast. I made him sign it. That way if I crash it, I'll have his name on it and then contact him. Needed a little bit of tender love and care, but I think it's ready for its maiden, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, this is the Funtana we got from Allen Swap Meet. It was a $40 plane and it needed servo repair and a couple other minor things, and I got it from Fitz Walker from the RC Roundtable Podcast, and I made him sign it right down there next to the fuselage. So gonna put his name and address on it and AMA number, that way in case I crash it they'll come knock on his door instead of mine.
Mr. Walker will enjoy that.
I'm sure he probably will not. Alright, maiden flight for me. Fitz did say he never flew this. It was just one that he got and was planning on working out. And I got the rates on this turned down really low.
You need about half of what you got, guy.
Yeah, this is at 25%. And man, this thing is what you would call squirrely. Need to get me some trim in it. Whoa!
Whoa, what did you do?
I was trying to reach across the radio and put me some up trim.
I thought you were scratching or taking your hat off or something. I think you'll be ready to land that in a minute.
Well, I want to work out as many bugs as I can. It had a wicked bad auto roll built into it, and a little bit of down, but it's starting to get a little bit better behaved now.
So you're giving me the shakes.
Making you nervous, Jimmy?
I'm supposed to fly next, okay? I goofed. I should have gone in up. See if I tell you anymore. Yeah, you can fly next.
Yeah, this thing I think is really designed for somebody who's got a whole lot more skills than I've got. I think it's got like unlimited power.
Well, since Roy's is closing up, we got to have a place to sell airplanes, so we'll plan on 2 tables at the next sale. Because I can't sell airplanes, you know?
Can't what?
I can't sell airplanes.
Well, you can put them on Craigslist or something.
No, I ain't doing that.
Alright, let's see if we can get it down in one piece and make Mr. Fitz Walker proud of us.
Yeah, you bought a bunch off Craigslist, haven't you?
I've sold a bunch off of Craigslist. I bought quite a few also, though.
Could be bad to get that one down. Hey, those are pretty good landing.
Blind hog and an acorn, you know. Well, back in one piece. So thank you, Mr. Walker, for selling this to me. It's a good deal. $40 he gave me this for. And like I said, I had to fix a servo that he coached me on how to do it. And a couple other little minor things, but nothing real major. Put a servo in it, and I think this will not be one I'd call a daily flyer, but maybe in a combat course or something. I think it'd be great. Thanks for watching. There's the weight I had to put into this, by the way. And I didn't have any lead, so I did have a cable tie. Weighs about 3.5 ounces. So I just hot glued it down there in the bottom of the frame. And it's, like I said, it's hot glued in, so hopefully it'll last for 15-20 flights. I'll probably have it crash way before that. Alright, thanks for watching.